Bookseller Paul Fike says that shoppers are looking for something different this holiday season, something a little more classic.
Our biggest thing this year is probably the Melissa and Doug Dust Sweep and Mop set, which is exactly what it sounds like. It is just a little toy version of a broom and a mop and all these things. There's a big push for like old kind of vintage Night Before Christmas books and stuff like that this year too.
Even Star Wars is making a huge comeback this year.
Star Wars is huge this year, I will say that. We used to have a little Star Wars shelf, and now we have 2 whole shelves that are all Star Wars, superheroes, that kind of thing.
New mom, Nan Lyles, has noticed a similar trend shopping for her son.
One popular movement has been wooden toys, and people are really concerned with kind of organic things with sustainable materials, definitely more kind of retro vintage type of toys.
Another new phenomenon this season is the growing number of online shoppers. eMarketer predicts that overall retail sales will grow by 5.7%, with online retail growing by 13.9%.
I'm a big online shopper because that little baby that you hear screaming in the background, it's a lot more difficult to go to the mall, especially if I'm by myself.
Despite the growing online shopping trend and students flooding out of town for Christmas break, Oxford retailers here at the Square still notice an increase in sales.
The local population will start doing their Christmas shopping. The holiday kind of covers up maybe the lack of the students being here.
In the tight-knit town of Oxford, retailers make an effort to provide for locals, while locals make an effort to support small businesses.
We get things for people. I mean, like we have people come in and say, I want this, and so we get more of that.
Emry Hayes, NewsWatch.